Pattern making can be quick and fun. Here's how to level up your skills.
Hello, welcome RMG Pattern Making 16. Yes, this video is a classic shirt pattern drafting, size M. Here is a list of how each part of the shirt is calculated. Draft yourself, follow to secret formula. Original size M, measurements. Length equals 29 inches. Chest equals 42 inches. Waist equals 40 inches. Bottom hem equals 43 inches. Shoulder equals 18 inches. Across back equals 17.5 inches. Across front equals 17 inches. Sleeve length equals 25 inches. Bicep equals 16 inches. Cuff open equals 9.5 inches. Collar length equals 15.5 inches. Let's go start back pattern. Part calculation. Number 1. First takes a pepperboard. Number 2. Make a fold, get center back line. Number 3. Draw a horizontal line. This is the neck and shoulder line. Now we make back neck and shoulder line, one of 1/2 inch back neck depth. 1/2 back neck width. For the length of the collar, take 1/5 of the total length and subtract 3/8 inch. Get 2.75 inches. Draw back neck curve line. For the length of the shoulder, take 1/2 of the total's length and divide by 2. Get 9 plus 1/2 inches. Seam allowance, get 9.5 inches. Draw back neck curve line. 1.5 inch shoulder slop standard. Draw shoulder line as shown. Shoulder forward 1.5 inch moving to upward like as show up, and that is cover front length. Now shirt length. Shirt length start from HPS, means high point shoulder. Shirt length 29 inches, plus bottom hem rolling, 1 of 5/8 inches. Neck seam 1 of 3/8 inch. 1 inch allowance at middle back yoke seam line. We getting 31 inches. Now chest, waist, bottom, or hip. 1/4, 1/4 chest. Full chest 42, divide by 4, get 10.5 inches. 1/4 chest plus 1/2 inch. Seam allowance, get 11 inches. 1/4 waist, 1/4, 1/4 waist. Full chest 40, divide by 4 equals 10 inches. 1/4 chest plus 1/2 inch. Seam allowance, get 10.5 inch. Bottom or hem, 1/4, 1/4 bottom or hem. Full bottom or hem 43. Divides by 4, get 10.75 inch. Plus 1/2 inch. Seam allowance gets 10.75 inch. Now armhole depth. Armhole depth full chest divides by 4 gets 10 inches. 1 inch pleat. Added at center back or middle of center to armhole edge. Now back yoke. Measure 3 inches from back seam and draw line as show up. Wrote size name M, part name back, cut quantity. Now shirt bottom cap height, 3 inches as show up and draw bottom hem curve line. As show up, draw side seam, armhole line as show up mark line. The end back part. Now we're make front part as show up size. M. Front length 1.5 inch smaller tan back length to 28.5 inched. Now chest, waist, and bottom hem position line. Same back line as show up, front neck width, shoulder width same as back as show up, shoulder slop same as back slop as show up, front neck drop back neck width plus 1/2 inch to 3.25 inches. Draw front curve neckline as show up, 1/2 of across front plus 1/2 inch seam allowance as show up. Front chest same as back plus more 0.38 inches for closed seam at side. Front waist same as back plus more 0.38 inches for closed seam at side. Front bottom same as back plus more 0.38 inches for closed seam at side. Front bottom cap height 3 inches as show up. Now center front placket. And 5/8 inch overlap at center front. 1 1/4 inside fold and 1/4 inch inside seam. Center front button mark. First button from neck seam 3 inches. Last button from hem 4 inches. Balance 3 is divide equal distance. Pocket. Pocket make as show up. Sleeve, cuff, sleeve placket, sleeve slit piping make. As show up measurements and drawing as sketch, collar draft as show up. 6. Seam allowance side. Seam equals 3/8 inch. Shoulder seam equals 3/8 inch. Sleeve seam equals 3/8 inch. Hem fold equals 5/8 inch. Front placket equals 1 1/4 inches. 7. Main formula used in this pattern. 1/4 chest equals chest divided by 4 1/4. Waist equals waist divided by 4 1/4. Bottom equals bottom. Hem divided by 4.5. Shoulder equals shoulder divide by 2.5. Across back equals across back divide by 2.5. Across front equals across front divide by 2.5. Bicep equals bicep divide by 2. Cap height equals full armhole divide by 6 wherever necessary. Seam allowance, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, 3/4 inch. Added. Any size with this same rule. M, L, XL, XXL. Its shirt pattern can also be calculated. Episode 2. Like, share, comment, subscribe channel, click bell icon button for new notification.